nisiphile naye kakhulu. So we just came to lay him to his last place, and condolences to family, friends. Ngicela simkhulula ahambe ngoxolo, asithandaneni sibambaneni kahle, siphilisaneni and be together as one. Singakhulumani kabi, singahlekani, asibambaneni ngomoya kaNkulunkulu, sibe yintwenye. Amen.
Ngiyabonga bafowethu.
Ngokuzithoba okukhulu sizofika naye mthathile emzini, sizakwenza ke ngoku iritual yethu yasebathenjini ukusuka apha kuBeatrice sikhokhelwe sithethe zethu izinto, asikhokhele inceku yezulu, sawuthetha nathi siphinde sithethe kwakhona naye xa singena apha egeyithini, simchaze uba uphi ufuna kasenze ntoni, phinde isikhokele inceku ngendlela eqhele uqhuba ngayo. Sithi linceku likhaya lenceku sithi siyokungena endlini, sicela inzolo ningabi naxhala abantwana babo, sinithanda nonke. Amen. Inkqubo yekhaya yodwa ngoku efuneka siyizolele. Ndiyabulela. Enkosi. Olomsila mzukulwana kangubengcuka kaNdaba kaJumba kaMgudlwa kaThanda kaKhalipha nyana kaNkosi uMelikhaya ubaba ubonga izulu uthethayo kuhle omncane ingumlomo wefamily sonke sikuthathile apho besukubeke khona siyancoma ubaphethe kakuhle usiphethe kakuhle side sazofika kapha ekhayeni sizakukhupha apha enqwelweni sizama ukungenisa ngasendlini kwikhaya lakho kwa-BK ukwenzela into yokubana sizokuphumza sithethe nawe ngendlela efanelekileyo uzokwazi ulinda nabantakwenu nezihlobo zenu okokugqibela nabantwana bakho nodade boyihlo ukwenzela uba lawuthi lawufika kwilixa siyokwenza umsebenzi efana siyawenza owakho usiphathe kakuhle ke zodwa njengoba sewenzile sizawunikela umphathi nkqubo ngokwasenkonzweni ngoba kaloku iChristianity yenye yezinto esikwazi uba iyiphila yobomi bakho. Ndiyabulela.
Amadoda ekhaya, amadoda ekhaya.
Boom.
Tim uvuko ikwanti mubo. Lo kholwayo komnangana efile uyakuphila. Nalo ophilayo kholwa kumakasa ikufana phakade. Ndiyazi kuba umhlawuleli wami uhleli. Ukuba uyakuthi ekugqibeleni emephezulu komhlaba. Mina ngokwami ndiyakumbona ngabehla mna ingaluzi. Ungasisi isitaka sakho egqwetyweni. Ngokuba kukho namnye oluphilayo lilungisa phambi kwakho. Ndiqithi balo nakufa nabomi. Nazi ngelosi nazilawuli. Naziphatha amandla nanto zikhoyo nanto zizayo. Nabuphakama nabunzulu. Nanto lena endalweni yonke ayinosahlula thina eluthando lukaThixo lukuYesu Kristu inkosi yethu. Asizanga nanto emhlabeni sayo singayokumkanayo. Inkosi yanika kwinkosi ethabathileyo. Igama lenkosi malibongwe. Ndizawuthetha uba ngoku sikhangele isipilini luzi. Kodwa ke ebusweni. Ngoku ndazi ngokwengxenye. Kodwa ndiyakwazi nje ngoku ndaziwayo ukwazi khona mye uzindlela khona mye uzindlela siphila sisenkosini nokuba siyafa siphela enkosini ngoba ke nokuba siyafa nokuba siyaphila
sayingina loo nto bakhalazanga kabantu kwebalandawo esigcinisekeni namzi esigciniseke kuwozona siphumile ke nawo ngozondwa bathethwa nalapha enkundleni and kusiphethe kakuhle endleleni khange sixakwe nabantu kubo bekuphahlile balombutho upha ubukulu akukhawulele Madiba ungenile ke ngomasangweni kokwenu ungenileze ke zondwa into esizayicela apha kuwe inye Madiba silusapho lakho ngokumntanami ngokusungapha uqala lezinyanya ozophilela thina naba befundisi bazawuthenza inkonzo yakho into ezakwenzeka ke Madiba andikuxelele kwangoku sizakubeka ukuhlala Madiba sizokwenza nenkonzo yekhaya isayenza ngo6 umlindo asizowenza Madiba ngoba Madiba bafuna sivukile sihambile nawe sizokusa enkonzweni yakho ngo8 siphume ngo10 siyapho sokwasa khona Madiba ndikubulele Zondo indlela osiphethe ngayo. Umcimbi wakho mkhulu Zondo. Azange ubone ongaka Madiba. Oko uhamba ngesidima. Woyela mthembo omkhulu. Nangona usiqubula. Siyakwamkela. Khona ikhehle lakho apha. Sinyanya sakho sikhona noma sidinile kodwa besiyile ukunxebisa. Ubusijuna. Webisile. Lo mcimbi wakho siphethisene Zondo wonke umuntu beyinxaxheba kuwe. Zama ukuthi befundise bakuthi ke nayiqhuba inkulu. Silekhaya uzawuthi kuyabonwa umuntu uzawubonwa endicinga nobe ubonwa kusasa andazi mhlawumbe sambona ngoku ekufika into bakusasa ngoku sambeka phumule akazi ukwazi ubonwa ngisi ngaloo ndawo kusasa ikhaya lakwazi umbona simbonile nina mina isithumile nguye size naye njalo kodwa kusasa ngcono ngokuba kuvuka wonke umuntu la nkonzo yakhe lokumkhupha simhambisa umuntu uzabe khona ekuthiwa ndiyacinga ngo-5 uzaba right umuntu akwazi ukuvuka ngo-6 nina ke baphathi bento
Asithembe igama lakhe likhe ligama elibekiwe sokumangalo ngaphandle igama elinguJesu Kristu. Baba siyakhulela ekuseni uNkulunkulu ukuthi let our program ihambe ngendlela right egameni kaJesu Kristu kuze phakathi. Amen.
I'm going to take you through the program so that sizobona ukuthi ubani okhona ubani ongekho mangekho bese uyam-SMS or umsendele WhatsApp ukuthi indoda yesisi woza phela iprogram eqalile uyabo. So sizomova sibe through nje iprogram. The first few items would be the tributes by the family member, the neighbor, the children, the nephew and nieces. I hope our neighbors are already, and then we'll also have the nephew and the nieces. Hey, you know, kumbayizisa lento nephew ne niece mina ngithi nje abachana ne abamantombazana nabafana babe khona nje bazelana mase sesibabiza kuma kubachana neighbor uMr Sinaye ukhona sesinaye uMr Sinaye akakafiki ngicela SMS. And then we also have Osipho Maphosa as a friend. Usipho akakafiki ne Usipho Mgudla ngibonile but sesisho nje Usipho Maphosa akakafiki. And then ebantwaneni bakavuyo kukhona uAsanda Mgudlwa, and then kuwe khona amanefi abachana uMbulelo noMbali Mgudlwa. I think bona sebafikile. But here will indicate ngoba kuyabanda la ngaphandle besicela nje enye futhi isifudumeze kancane ingoma. And then in the process, as we run the program, we'll keep on acknowledging people, right? We'll keep on acknowledging some people. I know, like the program director wa Thursday, ngeCandlelight, uthe sonke la singafuna ukukhuluma ngoVuyo. Sonke la singafuna ukukhuluma ngoOscar. But because of the program and the time, we won't do that, all of us. So what we'll be doing, we'll be acknowledging people as they are seated amongst us. Now no Rasta sekafikile uRasta siyamazi uthanda ukubhala kakhulu mara ngathi is doing well ngoVuyo. Normally uRasta siyanokubona kuma social media simbone kuma TV ayenza into zakhe ngesikhathi ayenze ezinye into zakhe. But today we are wenza into right. So we'll keep on acknowledging people angithi. Yeah. So besicela enye ingoma nje izosifudumeza futhi because uVuyo bekumuntu ofudumele man. uMahluphuthu bekumuntu ofudumele.
Awusime kuna phakade na awusimile simi kuna phakade kuba bonke ayakekho nje kuba ngiceba zakhe wasakhe simi kuna phakade simi kuna phakade.
Awufuna isikoleni siyabonga ngeshisa kakhulu. Kukhona umunye ubhuti uyashisa nje ngimazela lapha ugcine ukuza la eDaveyton azoshuta izwe naye bekafuna nje ukuthi nje asifudumeze kokugcina. Zwakala mbitha. Zwakala ushayele ukuthi uzoyishaya. Lokuthi lo niyamazi nonke ku generations, niyamazi kuyizo siyamazi kuyo yonke into uthi ngizenge Uber ngilift away.
Sanibona. Thixo bawo, Thixo bawo, ngena nathi Thixo bawo, ngena nathi Thixo bawo, ngena nathi ngomusa, awu Thixo bawo, Thixo bawo, ngena nathi Thixo bawo, ngena nathi Thixo bawo, ngena nathi ngomusa, ngoba namhla sehlangene, ngoba namhla sehlangene, ngoba namhla sehlangene ngomusa, ngoba namhla sehlangene, ngoba namhla sehlangene, ngoba namhla sehlangene ngomusa wakho. Awekho amaningi kodwa uthiyami mina ngizoculela ngibongile.
Alala siyabulela mnikele izandla. Right into. Thank you very much. We all know that procedurally, yes, we have to open with the prayer or by the prayer, and we cannot go on in any program, particularly a program of this nature, without the family leading us. Now, isamkele ifamily isichazele kuba lo muntu ulapha ngubani kanjani, and then sizokwazi ukukhulula ezinye izithethi sizokwazi ukuthetha. Ngoku ke kukhona inkosi ezawusichaza. Kukhona lento mos eDavidton si nezinye lokishi ke, of course we are demarcated according to the ethnic groups. Kukhona uvuyo apha buya khona kusemaXhoseni section. So niyababona nabantu basemaXhoseni abasebiyela, abasebhela, abasevezi, ngicela babamphame isizandla naboke abasemaXhoseni. So without the waste of time, dear ladies and gentlemen, ngicela ukubiza inkosi yakwamgudlwa izosichaza uba ngubani kwathini and isichazele isikhulule ukuze sikwazi ukukhulula nezinye izithethi zizothetha ngaye uvuyo, zizothetha ngayo yonke into esinayo namhlanje izawuchaza. Ingxaki yami ke namhlanje ndi-program director bendizaba yimbongi ndimbonge ndikhahlele ndenze yonke lonto, kodwa ke ngelishwa lomhluzi omanqine ebhokhwe ndinikwe lo msebenzi wokubhexesha inkqubo. Bendizawuzenza nezinye kodwa ke ngelishwa njengoba ndisitsho andifuni ke bathe kasi ukubhayiza, funa ukuthi kakuhle nje inkosi izithethele yona ngokwayo izitsho uba ingubani. Inkosi
Phathe inkqubo bulela. Ngicela unyana amakhoqwa ngubhaza la nihlabelele ucule kamandi kube singene ngoma chorus abele manje nihlabelele umntana. Yazi dileyilo. iphelo likatata ilehlabe lapha liyatsho yavuma manikhahlele ajonginamba mhlazi jonginamba mhlazi lenkosi zonke zakuthi ukulingana kwazo noshiyana kwazo nenkosi namakhosazana nemakhosikazi ndithi mandilibulise ngale ntsini nonke nilusapho nizaba kwamgudwa nonke nilapha ukuze nizocuza lenhlungu yakuthi bantu base-DVT ndiyanibulisa nonke ngegama likaYesu Kristu umfili wethu. Hayi yaba ndizawuthetha ngonyana yakho uzawazisa le femini uba ethe bendibona umfundisi kube ndimkhupha ndiyena ethe kodwa kwenza uqina kule game baluka ulahlekelwe ngumuntu bomthandi besenyongweni ebelithanda ikhaya lakhe ubanje. Ukuqala kwami ngizawuthetha ngohlobo Nkosi Somakhonkco omgudla luthethayo ngqazana inkulu kaManzokunamba lo simkhahlelayo apha. Ngicela nje uphakamele abantu kwamgudla bonke nimbone umgudla ungakanani apha endlini. Cela nje uphakame wonke umuntu wakwamgudla efilini wamgudla kaphakame nje nimbone wakwamgudla ndicela nje wakwamgudla. Cela nje Ako kwamgudla ngicela uzinyoze nawo abantu bakwamgudla wakhe. Nabo yemimo onqulumsile ovela bambhenzele. Into zikaJumba zikaNdaba. Ngangibengcuka. Ningahlala phansi ke. Ngokuzala kwethu kunje njeba sikawo kwamgudla umgudla wakhe unezindlu zakhe njebe indoda ibiyinkosi ngela xesha lakudala ke bekuzeka abafazi abaninzi ukuze umhlaba ugcwale ukwazi ukuphatha abantu bakhe isizwe sakhe zayistreamline ke ndize kule ndlu yabovuyisile elikhaya sizothetha ngalo kwela khaya lithetha ngalo umgudlwa wabenomfazi wabo kuthiwa nguNoqhumane kwabafazi bakhe. uNoqhumane uyawazala unyana wakhe omkhulu kuthiwa nguKhalipha wazala uThanda no-Ali bathi indlu yaseqadini abo ngamadoda amabini awazelayo phaa kuNoqhumane. Uthanda ke zawuhamba ngaye kuba silapha ngaye ngomzukulwana wakhe. Uthanda uzale uKhalipha ongutata omkhulu kaMadloputhu ongutata kaNozizwe umafungwashe wakhe aziwe uMozizwe uMelikhaya umtata kwalentwana lomnyana usizomngcwaba aziwe uNkosi uMandela nankuya emva koNkosi uMandela kuze ulantuka ongekho uBhutithami ongekhoya Steve kuze uCaster kodwa igqibela nombulelo kwabantwana bakhe uKhalipha ngabo ke abagcwelise le Davidton nale Biyela baphuma uNkosi uKhalipha. uNkosi uKhalipha ke uzalwa abantakwabo uzalwa uzwa intombi ekuthiwa nguNonxeba naye seyalandulele ekhaya eliphakade aziwe udade uNonxeba udade uNdileka emva kodade uNdileka uze udade kuze upapa ulantuka upapa uNxele emva kopapa uNxele kuze upapa uZolile emva kopapa uZolile kuze upapa uMakhelane emva kopapa uMakhelane kuze uNomfanele udade uNomfanele emva kodade uNomfanele kuze upapa uNene emva kopapa uNene ugqibele uJogunanga nanku na91 apha kuthi igqibela ke pha balithoba amadoda azalwa apha kulandlu yakuthi. Yihleke ukuza ke apha ke nje basiyindlu kaMgudlwa apha eqadi njengoSomakhonkco nomntana ke silahlekelwe ngulomntana. Lo mntana beyinkulu kaMelikhaya. Lo mntana ndiyabona befuna uziva uzawuhamba ngobukhulu bakhe. Usibhalela incwadi lo mntana beyinkosi ezawuphatha phaa kuNgqarho njengoba bebhizi kulo mculo wakhe wabambisa utata omkhulu wakhe nankuya uNkosi Jogunanga kanti uyazazi lo mntana uyayisonga indlela yakhe baze niqhube ngolu hlobo kobo bubonda bakhe uphansi kosi lenqaba inkosi esiphetheyo beqhumana. apha eca kwam ke ndime noNkosi uBathemba ngumhlabuthumeni ngoka-Allen. U-Allen ngumntu akathanda, ngumntu abothanda, sorry, amadoda amabini. Phume ke le ndoda apha eca kwam, yabo. Ndicinga ndigqibile ukuchaza ikhaya apho lisuka khona ukuba sibe lapha. Bazawuthetha ke izithethi ezilandelayo. Ndifuna ukukhanyisela uba singaba kwaMgudlwa, kuyindlu yaseqadini likaMgudlwa. Masihambe ke ndishiye indawo. Ndiyafika ekhawusi, ndiyathanda ukonwaba ndifika ekhawusi. Lo mntwana apho estejini ukaba unegigu zophefoma phaa. Othi ke phefoma phaa, yho nanku utata omncinci, kaloku ndimde, I'm so distinguished, ndibona ngokuthi yelo apha endlini ndimndoda. Athi nanku omncinci cela uzapha andizise ngaphambili estejini, andifungase nanku utata omncinci wam. Athi nina nindibhukhele indawo ohlala, andizulala, ndikeni loo mali, ndizawulala kwatamncinci. Ndizawulala kwatamncinci, umzapha eBloemfontein, ngumntu obethanda ikhaya. Thethe ngolo hlobo lo mntana ndithi uthina ndoda, siyaphinde umntana saya naye engcobo, besaphile umnina wami kuthiwa nguwela masi, sihamba naye ubumzulu. Lo mntana sasikwazi umbuka, wathathwa ngabantu bafota naye lo mntana, bafota naye. Ndithi le mntana yam uzobona thina, ndizama ukuthi ububele balo mntana benabo beqalisile indlu yakhe nale nto beyenza ke le industry. Thina singabantu abadala sithi it's a short career, mna khanifundeni, umntu wekanti uyayazi le enzayo. Ngaloo magama uVuyisile uzalwa noNoma uMafungwashe kakhulu wangubaba. uNoma aziwe ukuphumla, uphumla aziwe ukukholeka ongasekhoyo. Ugqibele yena ibizigqibela kaphaka Mafungwashe wanibona intombi zikaMkhulu wami ezimbini nanziya. Nanziya kushiyeke zona ke ahambile ababili. Hlala phakathi kwamakhosazana. Ndigqibile mkhulu umzakuthi umuntu bengawuchaza one by one njengokabani apha ngeke siqhubele project program yam uqolo bantu bemde kangaka kaloku isithomo sami sithi enkosi ndiyabulela
Umde ngayo yonke into sibulele kakhulu. Mamelani into zakuthi, as you all know, I indicated earlier on that most of the time as we do a program directing, especially in Mingwabo, you find out that the first 30 minutes is a city sort of. Thank you very much, because I see it 80% of abantu basendlini. Zathi xa sithetha izithethi zithethe nathi cha kodwa sifuna kaloku zityabeke lento nabanye abantu bayive. Bengicela ukutranslateela wena Pinjani, yabona ukukhahlela nesiXhosa ayikuthi lokukhahlela ukusalutha, yabo. So ezinye izinto fanele sizicacise as we go along, yabo. Ningathuki methi ngabovuyo ngabovishile ngabo-Oscar bazosikhahlela, ngeke sinikhahlele manje. There are other people that I said I'm going to acknowledge. Kukhona ubhuti ofuna ukusenzela ilento i-saxophone ebekhona la uzile la kimi, if already abe kanjalo uSipho. Okay, uSipho we-saxophone uzasenzela kanjalo. We are not delaying, but we want this thing abantu xa bethetha, like abatshana bazabe bethetha komgudla, nibabonile umgudla i-80% mos. Sifuna bathethe nakwabanye abantu abakhoyo, without promoting so-called African time. When I count the African time, please don't include me. It's yours. The African time, please don't include me, because into esinayo esithandayo umuntu ubuza uphuma ngobani umncwabo. Ungabuza uba uphuma ngobani, buza uqala ngobani okanye iqala ngobani inkonzo, because omnye umuntu uyahlamba ngoku. When you're ready, you'll tell me. There's an honorable member of parliament somewhere, but I will also acknowledge him and make you to know him, who he is, and ukhona apha kuthi ne. And nabanye abantu, as we go along, I'm going to make sure that we acknowledge them accordingly. Without the use of time, zamnika kuwe Sipho uzitsho ukuthi ubani and ubuya kuphi usibane nobani, then bese uyadlala.
Sanibonani, ninjani bakithi? Nami ngikhona. Oscar ngifunda naye eLwazi. Mangisuka ku SRC ukuba president ye SRC Oscar Chikova. So we've been friends from eLwazi. Even now manje ke silahlekelwe bakithi.
Siyabonga. Ilwazi ke ihulwazi is secondary school, one of the greatest air produce abantu abafana nayo uMgodla. Siyabulela. Kuyalunga lapha emuva technicians? Yes.
Otata abefundisi nabashumayeli umzi wonke walapha eGauteng manenibulise ngele Nkosi igama. Amen. Okokuqala manilungise lento zinkosi. Ndikhule noNoma sifunda sonke. I'm so surprised by namhlanje abakayazi sename yami. Mr. Sinaye akekho eniye. It's only similar. Iligama abandibize ngalo ligama lokukhula. Sendikhulile ngoku. Iza confuse abantwana ukuthi phaya kulandi kuba Sinaye. I'm not Sinaye. Ndandinguye ngela xesha ndasengumfana. Ngibuye ke ngoku ndize kwelikhaya lakwaMgodlwa. bantu bakwamgudlwa thuthuzelekani akuhlaka elungehliyo uvuyo lona usizumile sonke bendingenathemba uba uvuyo angabe sesandulele kodwa ke into zomdali asinawuzinceda because uthixo esenza into ulungisa enye ngenye mandithethe ke ngovuyisile ndikhula ke ndimbiza uvuyo ke ekukhuleni kwakhe uvuyo ukhule engumntana othulileyo not even a single day uvuyo aphume umamakhe notatakhe baya emzini bafuna bayomkhalimela uba uvuyo ubethe umntana othile okanye uvuyo wenze into ethile ukhule uvuyo elulame kakhulu you won't be surprised uvuyo xa inyuka phayibera he's a short guy xa ndime phaya endlini ndime estupini uzawuvela uvuyo ehamba ejonge phansi you would think ukuba uvuyo akakuboni okanye akazubulisa but when I approach wena uvuyo uzawufika athi molo bhuti he only referred to me as ubhuti ebengumntana onjalo kuvuyo ebiyela kulaa ndawo esihlala kuyo akekho umntu ebengamthandi I mean asiyomali asifani nemali imali ithandwa ngumuntu wonke kodwa uvuyo he was like imali because ebengumntana ohloniphayo ebengumntana opholile ongeke umve engxola ebenosisi nabo sisi bakhe selena ubungeke umve uvuyo okanye usisi bakhe belwa naye okanye bethini yes there are family matters ezasendlini ezithethwa zilungiswe because singabantu ngabantu abangenangqondo ngamageza abantu abangaxabaniyo awaxabana amageza because they bakulonto kodwa singabantu sizaba nazo i-disadvantages okanye izinto ezenza uba singavani kodwa it doesn't mean ukuthi it's permanent zizinto ezenzeka ngeli xesha zilungiswe mandithi ke utata ke lo mfana ke uvuyisile ebebathanda abantu bakokwabo ebebathanda abantu bakwaDlomo ebekathanda abantu bakwamthombeni kulo mama wakhe bebathanda baxabise kakhulu ebaxabisile nomakhelwane bakhe so uvuyo ebengumuntu onjalo andazi ke sawuthetha sithini ngovuyo but kodwa ndothuka mna the first time ndimbona ephuma apha kuthiwa nanku uvuyo because ndimaze ngumntana othulile umntana onohloni njengecwethe ndizama ukuthi ke bantu basekhaya masemkhululele uvuyo because into esile kokwabo abathana bakhe aba ubafake ku the same industry bakhona abantwana bakokwabo abakule industry although bangekho kwi-acting but babone ntoni babone kumalume wabo wenzani because umalume wabo ebengulo muntu ebeyiguyo nabo bathatha the same direction kodwa bayithatha ngakwe-music ndizama ukuthi bantwana basekhaya thuthuzelekani nisele nodwa ko phumla nonoma now it's times okokuba nihlale phansi because ngoku nihleli naba bazukulwana bakwamgudlwa nisele naba bazukulwana you must be exemplar kwaba bantwana nikwazi ukubacebisa nikwazi ukubabonisa nikwazi ukubafundisa as ii-parents zenu zenze njani if kunento ezinixakiyo nabo abantu bakwamgudlwa bethanda phone call nanko ubhuti wenu uzawuphuma eRandburg eze apha azothetha naye ndizama ukuthi bantwana basekhaya ndicela nibambane nibe yimbumba ayikho into engamnceda umntu if asibambani because the devil is out to destroy our families funeka siwalumkele ama-families wethu senze sure ukuthi siyawabamba siyabhonda kuba siba yiyo yonke into enkosi MC uvile bantu kumr Thembeke danke
awamadoda yasizimele indoda kwamkhuhlwa sathi besikodi masiyijongile kodwa yamkekule kwamkhuhlwa yawushiya umgodi ukuyajamela awamadoda inkosi lileleyo namhlanje igama layo kuvuyisile ngoba kaloku thina maXhosa kasidiye umtyana sibe sinejongo ngoba kaloku ligama madoda ligama lokuvuyisa ifamily ligama lokwakha madoda ewe kunjalo kula mhlaba ayafika amathuba nzima izimali inkosi yakwamkhuhlwa lethetha ngayo yawushiya umhlaba wekomanda madoda ndithetha ngenkosi baba ewe madoda kumandala ntombi apha kuyakhona madoda yawushiya lo mhlaba yazela umhlaba waserhawutini apha bazodlula ungena inyama khona ewe madoda wazenza zonke izinto zemele zenziwe indoda ewe madoda wavela kwamabonakude ewe madoda wayibuyisa yonke iSouth Africa ngenxa yemalo ngumntu madoda ungumntu ngamanye abantu ewe madoda sithe sijongile yasizimela le ndoda yaqala kwini madoda ibaleka phantsi kwesima asekwazi ukumrhawula ntoyigama njaya madoda kuthi yamka madoda uyamyeba ungolomsila ewe madoda sathi sizayijongela le ndoda ewe ntondile sikephala sikerharhabe washiya ngemva abantwana bakhe ngesayibala kumadoda izinyanya zakwabo ziyazamkhwaza madoda naye wasabela ewe madoda namhlanje ndithi kuni masimyekelelale ngoxolo ndisithi kwandondile ngomkhuhla usukile bulala ndondile usukalikanyamba madoda phantsi kwamanzi usujonga ifamily yakho nibongasekho emhlabeni ngoba kaloku inkulu madoda yiyo hlaba yemadoda uphilisa ifamily ewe madoda ithembonke namhlanje usukile ubongabisekho emhlabeni kodwa usibeliliso ndithemba usudasisinyanya esikhulayo ngalo magama mandingawona amagama madoda mandiyake inqawa yam isaqhuba nderham yo enkosi khawulilizele ndikuveka khona tyhini inkosi lele lapha mani inkosi engasondela nayiva ke into esingayo thina ke apha eGautengini abantu basephondweni asigodukanga asichipanga sisayiphethe into yethu
andibulise ngegama lenkosi Yesu Kristu amen. Mna ndingukhuselo kaMkhudlwa kwisizukulwana sesizukulwana sikafalo. Ndima kule ndawo ndimela ukulanda nje umnombo wale nkosi uvuyisile uzalwa uMelikhaya uzalwa uphuma kuDangane uNasebo uphuma uKhalipha uzalwa uMkhalipha likati likaMgudlwa uMgudlwa uzalwa nguJumba uJumba uzalwa nguNdaba uNdaba uzalwa nguTato uTato uzalwa nguNgubengcuka uNgubengcuka uzalwa nguNxeko silapha ke sisizukulwana sikaMgudlwa ingxaki
bengasiphakama isandla bengisimbona ke hola mamela uzocamtha after ifamily ne and then kuzozokala abantwana and then nabachana and then siqede ngaleyo part and then kuzokala ama colleague nawo uzozokala mbijama ngithi either ashayiwe one benikhuluma no Madluphuti
ngoba bekathanda ukuthi mina ngishayiwa take angithathi ama 5 takes Karen shotgun angithathi ama 5 take ngithatha i1 take besishuta amaskidi naye sishuta sishute i-black door naye so I'm proud ngayo
befuna ubakhalisela uzocamtha ne uzozwakala vivi on shortcut ejala acela simshayelele izandla abanye abachana bakhe no Asanda Mgudlwa bazathi ukuthi abomgudlwa. But let me also acknowledge, I'm not sure when Nyawo okanye Nkosi zakuthi andifuna ukulanda ukubhayizana biza abantu ngakhe title as wrong. Acknowledge abantu abaninzi ngicela ukacknowledge notata kaSipho Mgudlwa uba uMandela nje uphakamisa isandla tata anzithi uphakama awuzophakamiswa ndini utata kaSipho uSipho ungicelile uba mzi cela uzosibambela iprogram because of the discipline evela kutata nenhlonipho uSipho ke. I'm not going to talk because I'm not a speaker, I'm a program director. I can talk on this program, but without the waste of time, zawunika ke kubachana kunyana kaVuyo and abachana bonke ngicela nisondele sizonibona sondelani so uyafana noVuyo wena.
Bengithanda ukunibingelela ngegama kaJesu Kristu, amen. Igama nguAsanda uThembi Nkosi Mgudlwa, unyana kaVuyisile, second born yakhe. Emva kwami utata beka nabantwana abayi4. Mina ngiyi-second born, bese kune-first born yasendlini olwethu Lulamile Mgudlwa, bese kunolwandle uMgudlwa, i-third born katata yomfana, i-last born bokuPhiwe Enhle, usisi wethu besinaye kuphela. Emva futhi kunamakhazini wami, uMxolisi, uGogo, akunandaba mwahleki, Axolisi, uMzwandile, uMbulelo, Millicent, uThamsi. Amakhazini wami lawo. Akhona manje amanye angekho la e-stage nathi ne. On behalf of umndeni wakaMgudlwa nabachana nabantwana uzokhulumela abantwana bakaVuyisile mina. Siyabonga kakhulu for ukuba wenu la. Sayibonga kakhulu isupport yenu. Isinika amandla nathi. Isinika ithemba nathi. Utata beka umuntu olungile naye kakhulu futhi. Awuthanda umndeni wakhe. Abathanda abantwana bakhe, abathanda nabangani bakhe. Utata beka, he was a happy soul. Bawumazi noma ngathiwa inhliziyo yakho ayifudumelanga kodwa bekazofika eceleni kwakho uzojabula nawe. Anyeke akushiye ungekho sharp emoyeni kodwa naye if bengekho right bozofila man ukuthi hayi konke wrong. Yabo? Ezothanda ukusho ukuthi utata sekashile manje. Mele sivume leyo and uphumulile la khona. Ulele kahle, ulele ngoxolo. Thina nje into esingayenza ezumndeni wakaMgudlwa ukuthi ngiyacela kakhulu ukuthi sibambaneni. Sithandaneni kakhulu futhi. Not manje ngoba kunzima kodwa na after. Sithandaneni ngamampela. Abantu abadala basikhulise thina abancane. Basibonisa indlela. Ukuze sikhanye into zethu. Ukuze nathi sokwazi ukubheka kini sithi hayi. Sibe happy. Cela nje sibe happy nje sithandaneni sibambaneni. Amen.
Sanibonani. And Uncle fought those things for me. He taught me patience. Uncle, there was a time where Sejali showed it. And I was like, Uncle, CCTV maraslala mdogo. Singcenge nonkele indlela ibangolaka guys. Indlela ibangolaka ngalendlela ukuthi sixabane kakhulu. Sixabane kakhulu nonkele.
but azange ngitshintshe uthando enginalo for yena, azange ngitshintshe inhlonipho enginayo for yena. Wankele ube yonke into kithi. Tata wangishiya ngimncane, but I learned a lot from Wankele. So with that said, let's celebrate the soul, guys. He was everything and more. Lale ngoxolo malume, lale ngoxolo tata, lale ngoxolo mkhulu, lale ngoxolo chief. Ngiyabulela.
I have a poem for Umalume from the nieces. A loving uncle, to a loving uncle in heaven. Our time together was special, so were the memories we made. And although you live in heaven now, those memories will never fade. I bow my head in silence and remember my uncle with love. And I know that you are up there, watching from above. Every day's a struggle and nothing feels the same. And my heart breaks a little more every time I hear your name. You'll always be remembered, and the time may heal my heart, but the piece of me is missing since the day we had to part. If heaven is for angels, then I know that's where you'll be, and I know you'll be waiting when heaven calls me. Then there's a second one that says, in loving memory of our wonderful uncle, of all the special gifts in life, however great or small, to have you as our uncle was the greatest gift of all. May the winds of love blow softly and whisper in your ear. We love and miss you, uncle, and wish that you were here. Deep in our hearts, your life is kept to love and cherish, not forget. No more tomorrows we can share, but yesterdays are always there. A silent thought, a secret tear, keeps your memory ever near, in our hearts forever. Rest in peace, Malum.
Over me from heaven. I love you so much, Daddy. I miss you every day. Rest in peace, love you. Thank you.
Angiliswa. Nginguden ganda Nkosi. Niyamazi ngengoma yayidume kakhulu ethi bathathe ganda. Namhlanje sithi sizothula isigqoko kuOskido Mgudlwa.
singamakhosi. Mina ngudlamini uJubila Dledle sakatobambe wathi wasasibadlulisa kulo kusekunalangeni. Sisondelene kakhulu ngithunywe ubaba uChiko Thwala wathi ucela ngizommela namhlanje ngokuthi at least ngikwazi ukubeka isigqoko for yena ukuthi angeke abe khona namhlanje. Sibonge kakhulu ngelinye ilanga ke ngizaniculela ingoma enithandayo kodwa namhlanje ngilimele ngo-Oscar. Ngizacela ukintroduce namakhosami aseduzane la. Ubaba uMhlomi, inkosi uMhlomi lo wabakwena, umele abakwena. Sine organization registered eku-IEC already represent amakhosi wonke sizosebenzisana nawo wonke amakhosi akhona e-country. Ngizawucela kakhulu benisinike nje 2 minutes ngingabakhulumeli bazikhulumele. Bayede Mhlomi.
Bayede bonke besethu. Ha ke dumedisa batswadi ba ka ke a leboha. Ke nnete go jwalo. Ke Morena Tladikane Mhlomi. Ha ke fe Morena Ntuli Black.
Bayede wena. Bayede. Ayibo. Bayede. Ubaba uNtuli lo uChief uNtuli omele amandebele ngithi akwehleni ngehlanga chebe. Bayede uKabelo Morena Kabelo iking yamakhoyisana, the monarch himself, inkosi yamakhoyisana. Nawazi amakhoyisana amakhoyikhoyi abotutata Oscar ngeBraham uyazi sabonga labafikile namasikhala man sithi family sibenzi sonke dilostofong dilokhasi ngiyabonga wonke umuntu uziye la bonga abafundisi ngibonga wonke umuntu just kamhlanje sibe neclosure even if kunzima kunjalo ngiyabonga mphakathi
You've left a void in my heart. I am so happy you're loving your sister Pinky and family. Lala ngoxolo Madiba, ungizumile kakhulu. Ngiyohlala ngikukhumbula, wohlala uhleli enhlizweni yami from your loving sister Norma and family.
Lala uphumule Lume, you will be greatly missed from Muzi.
Lala uphumule Vivi, sohlala sikukhumbula Diba Dlomo, nokubuhlungu sobona nalikwelizayo from Phumla.
Ilapha ikakhulu masixolise exesha ngoku leliganyawo nje bekufana ngoku kuchila umfundisi ngoku siyicelela uxolo ndawo sizawuthi gqaba ngoku umntana omhle baqhube sicele futhi aba bantu bathanda ukuya ezimotweni xa kushukela umfundisi zingenzeki lo ndaba kuvusi asikayo zikrobe zamoto azibiwanga simamele ilizwi lenkosi diyabulela.
Siyabulela bafundisi. Sithe noko make size siapha ngaphambi sizobulela abantu bazosikhunga kulento sekuyo. Thina sisizukulwana sikaMgudlwa sithunyelwa inkosi uZwele Nqaba. Njengesithethe ke pha ekhaya xa kukho umsebenzi onjengalo inkosi ifike izokwazi ke ubopha usapho ubopha nezalamane ebezize abazosikhunga nokubulela. Into esiyithetha apha ke siyithetha kuba sithunyiwe nathi ayisithi uba bekhona unkosi uZwele Nqaba ngekhona ngokwakhe into na ubanjwa izinto zokuphila kaphilanga utheke make sizama ukubulela kuba sithi noko unkosi uVuyisile lo nangona behlele apha eGauteng ebefika pha ekhaya njengomntana enkosi akukho nto sake sayikhalazela sisilikomkhulu ngaye ebengumuntu onwabisayo incwadi zakhe zinhle kwelacala into nje singayithetha thina silikhaya kuba nzima xa kufuneka besithi xa silahlekelwe besithi ababophayo uba inhliziyo zethu zibuhlungu kushiwa kodwa ke ngeke sithethe sethu kuye kunyanzeleke ikomkhulu lithethe libulele libophe usapho bopha usapho kwesithi ke malithi nxe ilale ngenxeba lingadilophe kakhulu sechaziwe ke uba sibuyaphi thina sisizwe sikamgudlwa sizibiza ngolo hlobo sisisizukulwana sikamgudlwa ngoba sibaninzi kakhulu ningafumanisa ukuba apha eGauteng uyawuya naseKapa uyawuya naphina usoloko ufumana umntu wakwamgudlwa noba ungokuzalana ngomakhulu wakhe noba ngubani na sibaninzi kakhulu sithe ke kuloo nto sithetha ngayo sathi make sinike nje ni-understand isukaphi inzalelwane yethu umgudlwa lo uzalwa ngudumba unkosi udumba unkosi udumba lona azalwa ngumntu abahlela abalapha eGauteng zange balibeka apha basuka khona utatomkhulu abakhona eQhumane bathe ke ngoku make siyeni kule Qhumane ngoSeptember besiyobona ikhaya lethu siye kwingcambu zethu hleze izinto zethu okanye zingathi zilunga njengoba lo mntana besitsho apha zingalunga kakhulu sinalo lelo phulo sifuna umxela unkosi uVuyisile that sizayiqhubela lo phulo elo sisendleleni yobheka apha yonke information iyafumaneka ko WhatsApp social media ngithecela ukuba abantu akwethu ke sivanini singumgudlwa njengela hlobo obakhulu babevala ngalo yona inkosi le sithi mayilale ngoxolo sithi uVuyisile abazali nabantwana bakhe balale ngoxolo bayazi banabantakwabo abasithi asithi sawubanikana ungacinga kwasithi hayi sineengqobo ezinkulu ezinemali kodwa ulwazi olwencede emntwini umncede ngento ethini into encinci noba iyakwazi umakha umntu masakhaneni isizwe sethu sidla ngokuthetha kurhulumente sithi urhulumente abantwana bethu baziphethe kakubi i-moral regeneration akenzile urhulumente sithi makeqala ekhaya le nto masiqeqeshe abantwana bethu sibathumele esikolweni sibafundise ubomi bakwazi singasoloko sikhalezela urhulumente sikhalezela abantu abangaphandle singayiqala ngapha ekhaya thina sisizwe sikamgudlwa ke sikankosi umgudlwa kadumba sithe sizawuhamba siyodibana ngexesha elirayithi siyothetha nabo siyothetha nabantwana bethu siselebrate eyethu iheritage engumgudlwa andazi ke bantu kwethu uba ikhona into efuna sicebile
sigqibile masambe manje hayi into esayithethe efana siyigxininise biza abefundisi indlela emandi engayicawe ezawuqhutywa kumfundisi uMatingambisi
ngifundile kuyo ngiyabonga kule bhudloni lela yinto engayisho but he was a cool guy uMadluphuthu uOscar ngibongile kakhulu ukuthi ngihlangane nalo bhudi because of okuningi ngifundile kuye ngiyabonga
December 1975 at BBH. My mother is Sindiswa Adelaide Ngudlwa and my father is Melikhaya Norman, who are both late. My early schooling began at Enkangala Primary School and I later attended Hulwazi Secondary School where I was elected as the school president. I went on to study media and it was during this time that my passion for the entertainment industry began. And I later attended Hulwazi Secondary School where I was elected as the school president. I went on to study media and it was during this time that my passion for the entertainment industry began to take shape. I was fortunate to work alongside Kwaito icons such as the late Brown Dash, Mapa Bootsy, and Goofy, to name a few.
My love for music became even more evident in 2004 when I released an album titled Marvel. My songs were played on local radio stations and featured in community newspapers. I had the privilege of traveling the world, drawing inspiration that would help shape my music and creative vision. As my career in entertainment grew, I met the legendary Chico Silotwala, who recognized my talent in acting. That encounter led to a supporting role in Moruti Watoti. From that experience, the now famous Madluputu character was born, a role that would soon take the nation by storm. Throughout my journey, I remained committed to giving back. I participated in various community initiatives and used my platform to inspire both the young and old through storytelling and performance. Later in my career, I met Mandla N, who gave me the opportunity to further showcase my acting skills through Black Brain Productions. The Madluputu character went on to appear in Top Sesla, which aired on national television on SABC1. Most recently, I was honored to take on a new and different role as Jupiter in the television series The Black Door, where I continued to grow and express my love for the craft. I am survived by my 4 children, Olwetu, Asanda, Luandle, and Piwendle. My beloved sisters and brother, my nieces and nephew, and the entire
reality. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi le ngibhekisa kuma families anginandaba nabangani, industry friends or anyone. I'm an actor, I'm a producer, I'm a writer. When families see us on TV, they put too much pressure on us because of they believe ukuthi i-industry inemali. But in reality, asiholi. Actors, actresses, background artists, they don't earn a lot. Into ishuthe namhlanje, iyodlala after 3 months. That amount, dala yaphela. When we walk, or when we come to you as families crying and say we don't have anything, don't shut the doors. Uti, uvele TV mala ona mali. That's when you instill depression to that kind of a person. So families are the ones that need to love an artist. Bafo ushilo la wathi ngizena Cosmo nge-Uber. When people see Cosmo Ubering, but usekawela kanamali. Can't you know? He's trying other means of making money. But thina singabantu abamnyama kakhulu, we don't support each other. So I will leave it this way. We need to love each other no matter what. Anti khona ama-accountant, khona abo-principal, khona abo-teacher, khona abo-bani. Ama-artists now, they were given that gift. Ukuthi ba-entertaine wonke umuntu angithi. So cela nathi sibahloniphe, sibaseke, sihlale sinabo naso sonke isikhathi. Uma Voso hlala simkhumbula ngaso sonke isikhathi. Mina yazi impintsha yami will always be, and siyabonga kakhulu to the family ukuthi nisiboleke yena to this industry till today.
Noro nisiphile naye kakhulu. So we just came to lay him to his last place and condolences to family, friends, ngicela simkhulula ahambe ngoxolo, asithandaneni sibambaneni kahle, siphilisaneni and be together as one. Singakhulumani kabi, singahlekani, asibambaneni ngomoya kaNkulunkulu, sibe yintwenye. Amen.
Ngiyabonga bafowethu. Sizaqala ukufunda umqolo kweshumi elinesixhenxe. Ke kaloku uDavide wasenza esi simbonono ngoSawule nangoYonatani unyana wakhe. Wathi mabayifundiswe onyana bakaYuda ingoma leyo yesaphetha. Nanso ibhaliwe encwadini yoThethe. Imbalaga kaSirayeli ibulewe emimangweni yakho, hayi ukuwa kwamagorha. Musaluxela eGati, musalukwenza izindaba ezitratweni zase-Ashkelon, hleze zivuye intombi zamaFilisti, hleze zivuyelele intombi zabangalukileyo. Nina zintaba zaseGilibhowa, makungaze kubekho mbethe, makungaze kubekho mvula kuni, namasibi emirhumo. Ngokuba khona kwangcola ingcwelesheshe zamagorha, ingcwelesheshe kaSawule, wange waya engathanjiswanga ngeoli, egazini labahlatyiweyo emanqatheni amagorha. Isaphetha sikaYonathani besingabuyi mva, ikrele likaSawule belingabuyili lambatha. USawule noYonathani babezinzwana, bethandana ekuhleli kwabo ububi, nasekufeni kwabo abahlukananga. Babenamendu ngaphezu kwamaxhalanga, babenamandla ngaphezu kwengonyama. Zintombi zakwaSirayeli umlileleni uSawule, benambesa ingubo ezibomvu eniyolisa, ebelinxiba izihombo zegolide ezambathweni zenu, hayi ukuwa kwamagorha phakathi kwemfazwe. uYonathani ubulawele emimangweni yakho. Ndibandezelekile ngenxa yakho, mzalana wam Yonathani. Bumnandi kakhulu kum. Kubalulekile ukundithanda kwakho ngaphezu kokuthanda komuntu oyinkazana, hayi ukuwa kwamagorha adakile amadoda okulwa. We'll proceed and do the burial rites. We'll come back. The Mkudwa family will feed us. Nizawusipha mosokutya ndithi. The Mkudwa family will feed us. After that, sizawuhlala ngamaqembu. Niyayazi mos kuseDaveyton. Sizawuhlala ngamaqembu. And the funny part of la maqembu esizawuhlala kuwo is that as much as we have congregated here to honor and celebrate the life kaVuyo, xa sesihleli kula maqembu esizawuhlala kuwo, incoko ngoVuyo will dissipate. Incoko ngoVuyo will dissipate. Izawuncipha ngokuncipha kwanamhlanje to 99% of the people that are in this room. But there is this 1%. There is this 1%. This is not an event. This is not an event to this 1%. Go back to this 1%. This is the start of a new journey. For this 1%, this is the start of Apolucha. Abakhona sawuhamba engekho uVuyo kwethu. apha khona sizawuhapha uvuye ngekho phakathi kwethu. And therefore, this is not an event. This is not an event to that 1% of the people in this room. Bazawusenza isimbonono abantu bakaMgudlwa. Bazawusenza isimbonono ngokuwa kwale ndedeba, ngokuwa kweli gokha lakaMgudlwa. The process is only starting. I wanted to talk njengomuntu ongekho kwi-program bawusithole then ayifumana ithenda yoba mandishumayele kulo mngcwabo. Ndiyayiqonda uba le thenda lena ine-angles ezininzi le thenda. MPL or MP ungandixeli eParliament, but this tender was not advertised. You see, this man, when he did what the obituary says, his character Luputu took the world by storm. He was bestowed artistic genius. And that artistic genius was a conglomeration of other artistic geniuses that came before him. You could be able to discern from Uvuyo uNdabamhlongo. Adazoba abantu abadala bakhona napha. Ubumfumana uNdabamhlongo kuVuyo, uMsefane. Ubumfumana kuTata uSidudla, uBingo Bentley kuVuyo. Pha wayepha kulolitye lento zakhe. Abantu bethina sakhula ngexesha lokukhula. Ubumfumana uVelaphi uRenhlokwana. Within the character that Uvuyo was, he had that ability bestowed by God. He had that ability bestowed by God, and that's why I chose this meeting today. He was a hero. He was a hero to his children. He was a hero to his nephews and nieces. He was a hero to his family. Uyamlandela. Umsebenzi wakhe uyamlandela. Yiloo nto lenginginya igcwele apha kulo mnquba namhlanje. Izothini? Izokhahlela. Izokhahlela uMadiba. Izothi siyabulela. Siyabulela ngegalelo lenzileyo ebomini bethu. Siyabulela ngegalelo lenzileyo kumphakathi, kwisizwe saseMzantsi Afrika. Siyabulela Madiba. Siyabulela Madiba. Siyabulela Madiba. Indima yakho siyayibona. Apho uhlakule khona kuyabonakala. Kuyabonakala. Akazi bakhona omnye uMadluphuthu. Hayi. Kungaba khona uMadluphuthwana. Okanye bakhona uMadluphuthukazi. You know, kodwa akazi bakhona uMadluphuthu. Because there will never be another Vuyisile or Skamkhuzwa. There will never be. There will never be. I do not subscribe to a theology that says, I don't have that. You know, DJ Smooth, I don't have that. Because God bestows upon you a specific character, a specific nature that is unique, that is different from another person. And therefore there is no one that can replace you. No one. No one. Nothimba ndimkhonzayo wathi kuya kuAbraham ndizakunikeza imbewu ezothini ezobangena ngenhlabathi zolwandle. I'm going to give you a nation that will be like the sands of the beaches, the sands of the seas, and therefore it is every strand. Two things happen. Two things happen. There is a tear of joy that trickles down my ear because I remember the warmth that we shared the relationship we had. You know, I remember his smile. I remember his voice. I remember his laughter. I remember his touch. And then that tear trickles down. You know. But there's another tear that also trickles down. This is a tear of sorrow. But then there's another tear that also trickles down. A tear of joy. Because it made me the man that I am. A tear of celebration because he lived a worthy life. He lived a life full of joy. He lived a life where he embraced the goodness of God. He lived a life that he was able to use the talents that God gave him and use those talents to fruition. You know, but to use the talents that God gave you. You know, namhlanje nibona ntoni? Nibona ba imini sangene. Imini sangene. Kodwa yenzani lento yenziwa nguPlepoya Sombawo nomntakwabo kwindlela eyemangusi. Kuthiwa ke ngoko because this Jesus has tendencies zongathi uyakudribula. Yabona uJesu unokudribula because idlala ibhola. uJesu uzokushaya isiphayi 2 ungabhekani. You know, uJesu uyabadribula. Wenza ngathi uyandlula. Wenza ngathi uyandlula. Because Jesus, once he is always there. Uthixo yena khona ngamaxesha ukukhona kwindawo zonke. But what he wants is you kuba umzame. Kuthiwa ke ngokuhlepoya nomntakwabo bamzama. But he abide with us. Abide with us. Ibanalo lizwi bantwana basekhaya. Ibanalo lizwi bawuthixo.
Nawo ama-comrade aphuma manje angahloniphi umthandazo. Kanti nabanjani? Siyambonga uNkulunkulu sesiyaphuma. Kuyacelwa ke ukuthi uma siphuma lana
sesidlalile irole yethu up to here, and let's complete it with high discipline and high morale, so that kwenzeke yonke into ne-order. Remember, we are different generations. Kukhona abantwana abancane who must see and learn from us, Tina esesibadala, so that nabo bakhule kahle, yonke into yabo ibe orderly because of us. The legacy kaVuyo, the legacy kaMakiputu, the legacy kaVuyisile Mgudlwa has always been surrounded with peace, tranquility and joy. Therefore siyacela kabuye gogo bethu ngokukhulu kwenhlonipho samnikela ngokunya wonke ke ngoku. As we move towards the grave itself, sizocela abanye basondele bonke abantu abasemhlabeni so that we can observe. There's still a space on the other side. There's still a space this side. Singeza and witness this descent procession or procedure.
Yesu Kristu wathi ukungcwatshwa kwakhe ligcwalise ingcwaba kuba lungondlalo wethemba kubantu bakho. Sikelela ingcwaba ukuze libe indawo yokuphumula yoxolo. Unakala kolomzimba wesicaka sakho uvuyisile Oscar Mkhulwa. Ngenxa yalowo wafayo wabuye wavuka. Nohleliwe iphilango naphakade. Amen. ndinesithunzi uyabaleka akahlali ndawonye phakathi kokomi sisekufeni singafumana kubani na uncedi wethu ingaba kukuwe Nkosi sikhumbileyo ngemfanelo ngenxa yezono zethu na uthi noko Nkosi Thixo wamele Nkosi Somandla Msindisi wamele kodwa sihlambule wena ezinhlizweni ezinhlungwini zokufa naphakade wena uyazazi iimfihlelo zeenhliziyo zethu ziyixolele izono zethu uzenza sivilele bezakho emithandazweni yethu ungavumi Nkosi ukuba sithento zethu sahlukane nawe ilizwi liphuma ezulwini lisithi kum bala uthi banoyolo abafi abafela enkosini ubekho usuku olukhulu ulawulo namandla ngoku naphakade amen vuyisile sanga ingilosi zingakukhokelela eparadesi banga abafeli bangeza kukwamkela bakusesitobeni esingcwele iYerusalem entsha engunaphakade banga abavumi bengelosi bangakwamkela bakuse apho uLazaro angasoze aphinde belishile ngamane wabani ukuphumla ngonaphakade ika ukuphumla Kristu izicaka zakho zikwelengcwele zakho apho usize enhlungu zizemkhona ngasekho simama kuphele kubona ukunaphakade kuwedwa onganakaliyo umhlali nomenzi womntu thina siyakubuyela kwasemhlabeni njengoko wamiselayo umhlaba omdala usithi uluthuli waye uyakubuyela eluthulini sonke siyakuphelela eluthulini sileli kweli ngcwaba sivuma ingoma yethu haleluya 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 Nkosi uyamthulula umkhonzi wakho enomxolo ilizwi lakho lizalisekile ubabethu wamkalukile usizo lwakho olulungileyo ebusweni bazo zonke izizwe isikhanyiso sokukhilela inhlaba usuku labantu bakho amaSirayeli amen kwelithuba ke sizawunikela komadiba babenze ngokusesikweni labo babegqiba omadiba sawucela ke ootata lobhutana asibaceli ootata ke bangekho ngathi uthakathaka
sizawulandela ngolu hlobo kuzawuqala i-immediate family izofola kwaba ngakulo mhlakulo abantwana bakavusile oyise bakavusile izizwe zikavusile zilandele zibeke nentengo sizawulandela singabanye abantu.
Madoda ngayigqiba umfundisi wathi thulele lalabakala madiba yem ngoba kaloku umgadu ulifesile ndiyakuthi abantu ke abaceliweyo efemeli sithi ngabantu basilethe kozelekazi kube sizawucela abalandelayo ifemeli close family members to come bazogalela umhlaba ngokukhulu bazawulandela ixesha asinalo elikhulu sicele mkhonto we are acknowledging you with you sicele u-B3 asilethele nje encinci and then so that kugqitywe ukwenzani or DJ Take My Life please. Amajika lawa adala inaleti korompita mazabo bayibiza ngegamana khona ningabi offended guys. So B3 kancane colleagues zakavuyo ngicela nidala ikhona lene ithi lethele le lights nayi so ukhwenda awuzalika nayi mayikha ayivele okay B3 bathi bayambisana nawe ezititshela bazodlala nabo badlale nawe ezikudlala lakusokwane lokudlala enyabone Yes, nani you are part of it. Let me say the comrades, and let me say the please. One two message. I know everyone wants to participate in it. We'll do that. Ms. Kate is right. Siyayenza nje manje, siyaqeda. Bafuna ukumkhathalela. Explain Cosmone. Ukukhathalela kusulu ukukhala, ne? Yeah. Ulogogo salute angithi. Sure. So, abemkhuza they are going to do that now. Ukuthi basenze le bethe ngeprocedure yabo. Bazasixelela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yes. Come on. Now, Sinanieza over to the family. Yenze izilombulelo. Upite wenze benediction here. Then we'll announce how are we going to go home. Over to Mfundisi
ake somakhanda ngosonke uSejesu Kristu uthando lukababa nokuhlanganyela kamoya kube kithi sonke ibandla lokuqhamela hambani ngomusa.